Want to make $50 a day online without showing your face or making complex products? Let me show you how to use AI to create and sell Notion templates, fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. Step 1. What are Notion templates? Notion is a productivity app used by millions. Templates help people save time, from habit trackers to content planners. You can create your own templates and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Step 2. Find a profitable niche. Pick a template idea that people are already buying. Top niches include business planners, budget trackers, study organizers, social media content calendars. Search Etsy or Gumroad for popular templates and use those as inspiration. Step 3. Use AI to create your template. Use ChatGPT to generate your template structure. For example, create a Notion layout for a productivity planner. Then go to Notion and build it with simple drag and drop. No tech skills needed. Step 4. Package and share your template. Once your template is ready, click Share, copy page link. This is the link your customers will use to access your template. Optional. Add a quick PDF guide or a product thumbnail using Canva. Step 5. Sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. Go to Gumroad, upload your product, and set the price between $5 and $15. Just a few sales per day equals $50 daily income. Promote your product on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Final tip: this is one of the easiest AI-powered side hustles you can start today. No coding. No experience. No audience needed. Subscribe for more daily AI income ideas. Let's build your automated income together.